Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you the location of all the fuse boxes. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. First fuse box is in the passenger's cabin, just under the steering wheel behind this cover. To access it, you want to grab the cover down here and pull gently towards yourself. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here in the bottom left corner, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Second fuse box will be under the front hood here on the driver's side, so you have a couple of clips, one clip here, and two clips down here. So you want to press these two clips first and lift up, and you want to do this one and this one as well, and that's it. On the back side again, you will have a small fuse diagram, and here is the access to all of the fuses. Then you will have a couple of additional fuses on the back side of this box. Now I already unclipped it, so what you have to do, you have 4 clips. You see 2 on this side, you just want to push them away from the box, and 2 on this side as well. You see this and this, so you want to lift it up, and on the back side there is a couple of more fuses and a small fuse box diagram. And yeah, that's about it. So 3 fuse boxes in total. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.